A elder advisor to the Europe Trial of Judiciary, ECJ, has supported Google's legislative bid to range individuals' order to be neglected to searches in Europe. Google desired to range the Act's scale, following France requested for it to be stretched globally. The law lets human beings ask Google to shoot data recognized inexact, inappropriate, or undue of its searching motor. ECJ rulings characteristically pursue the advisor's judgment. The trial is planned to do a judgment on that nations were object to the order after in 2019. In his formal declaration, Lawyer General Maciej Spunner told searches transferred out in nations external the EU should not be struck by the order to be neglected. This basic order to be neglected must be balanced versus some basic rights, such as the order to information protect and the order to confidentiality, as so as the legal social concern in access the data desired, he told. Mr. Spunner added how one day data to be remote had been identified, searching firms in Europe should do all they can to shoot entries. Peter Fleischer, Google's elder confidentiality advisor, told. We've treated difficult to provide how the order to be neglected is efficient for Europeans, consisting with geolocation to provide 99% efficiency. The urge for the ECJ to solve on the Act's achieve grew out of a 2016 collision among Google and the France Information Controller CNIL. It penalized Google €100,000, £90,000, since it did not shoot data through domestic boundaries. Google appealed versus the penalty and kicked off the legislative survey. In its trial statements, Google reasoned how widening the law could assist less than more democratic regimes use it as an instrument for censor. Mr. Spunner's judgment was welcomed by UK digital rights team Paper 19 that told, Europe information regulators should not be capable to define the searching results how web users about the planet get to view.